Fox News' Jeff Paul provides the latest details on the case after a jury sided with Gwyneth Paltrow after she was sued for $300,000 over a skiing accident in 2016. Samantha Imrie, a juror on the Gwyneth Paltrow Utah ski crash trial, is speaking out. The jury found Terry Sanderson, who sued Paltrow for $300,000 in a negligence lawsuit, to be 100% at fault for a ski collision with Paltrow at the Deer Valley Ski Resort in 2016. Imrie, who was juror 11, was part of the jury who sided with the Goop founder on Thursday. In an interview with ABC News, the 31-year-old said the high-profile trial was a little shocking to me. Imrie shared that she had gone back and forth about who she believed was at fault throughout the 8-day trial, but says she found Paltrow's testimony convincing. Gwyneth Paltrow SKI trial highlights Taylor Swift, Tom Brady and Oprah juror Samantha Imrie speaks out about Gwyneth Paltrow ski crash trial. ABC News, I think there was, in the back of my mind, yes, this woman's an actress and I took that into account. But I didn't feel she had a reason to lie under oath, she said. She's always in the spotlight, so she always has to be honest. As for Terry Sanderson, Imrie said, he was telling his truth and I think unfortunately some of that has been distorted due to some other factors. But I do think he did not intend to tell a truth that wasn't his truth. Gwyneth Paltrow listens to testimony on the 6th day of court in Utah. Rick Bomer, Imrie shared that the testimony of Dr. Irving Schurz, who was called on Gwyneth's behalf, ultimately cemented her decision. He's a snow sports expert in many different ways. I think the fact that Dr. Schurz could speak to the den settings, and he specifically studied snow science, that he had a stronger opinion, she said. Gwyneth Paltrow was found not liable by Utah jury for the 2016 ski crash collision. Associated Press, Gwyneth Paltrow SKI crash trial, biggest bombshell. Social media posts presented in court also did not help Sanderson's case, Imrie noted to the outlet. Sanderson's legal team argued that following the 2016 accident, he suffered serious brain injuries, however his social media platforms showed him traveling the world. I think I wrote down, wow, I need to make some more money so I can go travel this way. I wouldn't have thought he was capable of those things based on the picture that had been painted, Imrie said. Terry Sanderson, the Utah man suing Gwyneth Paltrow, walked into the courtroom, Wednesday, March 29, 2023, in Park City, Utah. AP photo/Rick Bomer, she said her training as a nurse helped her focus on the facts instead of being starstruck by Paltrow. I think it's important that the public doesn't just think that this was a win because Gwyneth's a celebrity. I mean, this is based on the evidence. This is based on the law, Imrie said. I do work in medicine, and you have to look at everyone the same. So I think that should apply in the courtroom as well. Gwyneth Paltrow was awarded $1 in damages, plus attorney fees. AP photo/Rick Bomer, in a statement provided to Fox News Digital, Paltrow said, I felt that acquiescing to a false claim compromised my integrity. I am pleased with the outcome and I appreciate all of the hard work of Judge Kent Holmberg and the jury and thank them for their thoughtfulness in handling this case. Gwyneth Paltrow in a Utah courtroom. AP photo/Rick Bomer. Pool, Sanderson had claimed Paltrow left him with a permanent traumatic brain injury after she crashed into him from behind while skiing in 2016. He initially filed a $3.1 million lawsuit against the actress, the exclusive Deer Valley Resort and the ski instructor, who was providing lessons to Paltrow's son at the time of the accident. A judge dismissed the claim, and Deer Valley Resort and the instructor were removed from the lawsuit. Click here to get the Fox News app. Sanderson then sued Paltrow for $300,000. She countersued for $1 and attorney's fees. Fox News Digital's Tracy Wright contributed to this report. Janelle Ash is an entertainment writer for Fox News Digital.